Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off adapt sounds in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn off adapt sound, we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in hearing enhancements menu we have adapt sound here. Right now is set as under 30 years old. We can of course change it. To turn it off, we simply choose this option here, off, no boost. And we don't need to save anything, just back out to the main menu, and that's it. Our adaptive sound is now turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.